Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm. So if you guys would like to see the products that I received this month, then be sure just keep on watching. The first thing I got in my box this month is this South Main 3 Gel Eye Pack. I am not going to try this out today because I already have makeup on. So maybe tonight I will try these out. You get 3 eye gel packs that reduces puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. You have to leave it on for 30 minutes. It's quite a while. But anyways, that is the first thing in my box, and these retail for $10. Moving on. The next product that I'm gonna go in with is this eyeshadow palette from Purr. I have this issue every time, you guys know this. But this palette is so freaking gorgeous. Look at those tones. I love it, and you get a mirror. It's so awesome. This retails for how much? $36 for this eyeshadow palette. And I am obsessed with these colors. Like, it's just so pretty. This blue is everything. And to go with that, I'm going to also use these brushes that we got from the Vintage Cosmetics. There's 3 different brushes that go step by step. So you have step 1, which is for the money. It's basically a shader brush, allows you to pack on your eyeshadow. Step 2 is for the shadow. So it's an angled brush to maybe blend out the crease. I'm not sure. I don't usually use angle brushes, so I'm not sure how I'm going to use that. And then last but not least is step 3, go girl go, and it's just a definer brush to go underneath the eyes. So I'm going to try to incorporate these brushes while using this palette. I am going to try out this palette for the first time. Not sure what look I'm going to go for, but I'm just going to point to the shadow and we are going to speed through this. Alrighty guys, those are the eyes. I had no idea what I was doing. I was just throwing color on my eyelids. So this palette is super pigmented, very pigmented. When I went in with that dark shade on the outer corner, I was like, oh snap. But I feel like everything blended out pretty nicely. The shimmer shades aren't the greatest, but they'll do. There's a little bit of fallout, but nothing you can't manage. So overall, I feel like this palette is pretty good. I really like it. The brushes, I'm not really sure how I feel about them. I feel like this one did the job because it's that simple. I don't really like the angled brush. I just don't use angled brushes. I like fluffy. And this did pack on the shade, but I'm not sure if it was because of how pigmented the shadow was or if it actually packed it on. I mean, they're not terrible. Now we're gonna finish off the eyes because we got this Double Decker Mascara by Butter London. So I'm going to test this bad boy out. Alright guys, that is the mascara. I can tell you right now, I do not like that mascara. The formula is like super goopy and I don't like it. I do not like it at all. What does it say it does? It's thicker lashes and increases a lash curl. I can see the thickening of them, but I don't know. I'd rather use my Bad Gal Bang. We have one last product. That is this pretty vulgar blush in the color Make Them Blush. This color is so beautiful. So let's see how it applies. Wow. That blush is gorgeous. I love it. I really loved the blush, and I really like this palette. It is so gorgeous. I would pass on the mascara for sure, and the brushes, they're alright. I forgot to tell you guys the prices of all the products. This blush was $26. This set of 3 brushes was $23.15. The Butter London mascara was $20. And the rest I told you. That completes this video. The total value of this month's Boxycharm was roughly around $115. So it's so good. You guys should definitely check out Boxycharm if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!